Seriously?
This is why people hate Americans.
Like,
this is why
how
they
dare
hate
you?
us. This is why they hate us around the world. I'm gonna tell you one thing I know, and I've never been to jail. You don't want to go to jail outside of America as an American citizen.
Bonjour, AK family. Today we are in Marseille, France.
Yes.
This is the oldest city in France. We are in the south of France, and we're going to do some exploring.
Virgin got us or secured shuttles for passengers from the port to where we are right now, more in the city. And it took about 10-15 minutes.
On the shuttle, yeah.
Took 10-15 minutes. So it made sense on why it took so long. We had to wait like 30 minutes, 45
waited a
minutes.
long time to get on the shuttle.
To get the shuttle. So it made sense because they had to load off the people that they were bringing back and then load us on and then so on and so forth. So it took a while.
The shuttle is complimentary for Virgin. You don't have to book anything for it. You can just get off of the ship and get right onto the shuttle. Listen, enough talking. I must see France.
Let's go.
So we came over here. We're in Old Port. We decided that we're going to take this cute little train up to Notre Dame. The tickets cost $9 per person for adults, €7 for children, and they take card or cash. So we are about to get on the train to go up. And here it is right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board the Petit Train de la Bonne Mère. On this journey, you will discover a few of the most beautiful monuments of Marseille. The old harbor Notre Dame, the cornice, the forts, the Pharaoh, the Saint Victor Abbey will soon no longer have secrets for you.
We have made it up to the church. We are here at Notre Dame
de la Garde.
Ooh, okay, he's French. This is the most visited site here in Marseille, and good reason for the view alone.
Yeah,
The
city is crazy.
It is a beautiful view of the city. It's a little overcast today, but the sun is peeking through, which I'm thankful for. It is still beautiful, even with it being overcast. We were saying, like, we can't imagine how it would look on a clear day. Yeah. It's beautiful. But we are here. We're getting ready to go inside to look at the church. The outside is so pretty. And yeah, we're just going to go in and look.
See what they got though. Let's go. The train, it comes every 10 minutes to Notre Dame de la Garde. We spend 20-30 minutes here, and every 10 minutes, just wait out in the parking lot. Your ticket is your ticket here is your ticket back.
Right, so don't lose it.
Yeah.
And before we go inside, look at this. You must be careful here in France. In Europe, okay?
Yeah.
You have to be careful.
Because Barcelona, y'all, like we showed y'all, like footage of that. And then here in France, we knew it was bad in Paris, though, you know, nothing happened to us, thank God. But here in Marseille, it's bad as well. So just bear that in mind when you come to Europe. The pickpockets are real.
This place is massive. You can't really do justice when you're driving up to it, but when you actually here, you can see just how big this place is. We're down in the courtyard right now, just walking around.
Okay, so the church is closed, so we can't go in. All we can do now is go back to the old port, which we wanted to spend some time there anyway, but it's unfortunate we can't go inside. We're excited to, but it was worth it to pay to come up here just for the view alone. Honestly, for €9 a piece to get up here, they give you information on the train while you're riding. They give you facts and stuff, and they make stops along the way to talk about the things that you're looking at while you're riding, which is really nice. Marseille is a very old city. It was built like what? It's like 2,600 years ago. So it's super old, but so beautiful. I got a little snippet of like the inside of the church, and it looks so nice. There's a lot of gold in there. But yeah, so it is what it is, but we're headed back down to explore some more. The train broke down.
Yeah, so we're having a time out here in the sun.
It's not beaming though.
The breeze is nice.
Yeah,
but
it's not bad.
Quite inconvenient that the train broke down.
Yeah.
So they're running both trains now.
Yeah, there's 2 trains running at a time.
The group ahead of us got on and they had to get off because
Yeah.
the mechanic couldn't get the train working.
Look at this yacht. Alessandra III, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Listen, one of these days we'll have a yacht like this. One day. Man, look at that, it's 3 levels. There's all kinds of sailboats and like from big to small, new to old out here. It's so cool. If you're a fan of boating and stuff, I would highly recommend coming to Marseille just to come to the old port area and to see all of this. It's so cool. What you think about it? The yacht.
Oh, Alessandra.
What do you think about it?
Nice. I wouldn't want one because the
Oops.
upkeep is crazy. The upkeep alone is
Just
crazy.
a second ago, I literally said, we'll have one of these one day.
It costs over $100,000 a year to upkeep this thing.
That's all right with me. God will provide. Let's go. Today, what my original plan was for us to go to Calanque. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I don't know if I am or not, but it is a beautiful island that is close to here, and this is where I was going to come and book our tickets at. If you're walking down Old Port coming from the cruise port, then it's just right here in the middle of the action. You really can't miss it. But they do have signs today that say that they're rough sea, so we wouldn't have did it anyway. So apparently it was still happening, but the seas were rough. But some pricing information, it looks like it's 32 euros for an adult. Yeah, and they have different routes. They have a grand circuit, they have a petite circuit, and other things where you can swim or you can just explore. So this is where it's located. If you have a better day here at port, then this is where you can come to get some tickets. We are just strolling.
Yep. Headed back to the shuttle place.
Yep.
Where they dropped us. When we get there, we'll get on the shuttle. Hopefully it won't take too long, and then we'll get back to the ship.
Is this not the Frenchiest place we've ever been?
Yeah, it is.
Where we're standing right now?
Quite Frenchy.
It is just, we are in France.
The architecture.
Yes, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
This is where we're standing right now as we're walking back. Probably can't see because of the sun. This pretty building. It's kind of like a roundabout right here. But this, I mean, is this just not so beautiful? You've got the tram. Oh, and there it is, look. Tram is coming through. You've got people riding bikes. It's just, oh my goodness. This is incredible.
We are here back at the port. And, of course, got to get some soap before we leave. So, that's what Kyra's doing right now. And then from there, we'll go through security over here and get back on this ship.
We are hanging out in the social club. We have yet to walk over really to this whole side of the ship, but the social club is an area, it gives me like carnival / arcade vibes, which obviously because there's a ton of games and there's an actual arcade over here, but you can come over here and get candy, they have popcorn, you can get hot dogs.
We're just chilling. Like, I'm gonna get some water. We don't really have any plans tonight.
Nope, we don't have any plans, and right now they're having like a Nintendo Switch game night. Listen, I have a Nintendo Switch and I love it. I came over here because I want to play. They're playing Mario Kart and Super Smash Brothers.
Ultimate.
I want to whoop Aaron in either one. Take the pick, and I want to whoop you. Which one do you want to get beat in?
I am a grown man, but I can revert to adolescence just to dish out some butt whippings on these video games.
All right, period. A team player.
This is the thing. Kyra, did you challenge me? Did you challenge me? And how many times did you come in first? Once. And how many times did I come in first? 3.
Please return the game. Can we take it?
So we're back in the room. We just had dinner. It was great.
Dinner!
It was great.
At Pink Agave. Was agave.
Yes, it. Listen, we didn't get to try it last time we were on Virgin, but we got to try it this time, and it was well worth it.
Fantastic meal.
10 out of 10.
So let's talk about what we got. At Pink Agave, they have small plates, medium plates, large plates.
You kind of share the small and medium plates. So we got a couple of appetizers. We got the guacamole and chips, and we got the corn
esquites. The corn at dinner was a hit.
We ordered 2 guacamole and 2 corns. We have to give a big ups to our server, who was very transparent in telling us that, this one's not going to be your favorite dish. Okay, it's, a lot of people, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. More people don't like it than do like it. That's what he was pretty much telling to us.
We appreciate the honesty, but the funny thing is, or the thing about it is, food is subjective.
Yeah. At
the end of the day, the couple that was sitting next to us
got it, and they loved it.
They loved it. They asked for a second portion of it.
No, thank you.
So just to tell you what it is, it's the Coyote Yucateco. It's Mexican squash, habanero peppers, and baby carrots. No. But the couple next to us loved it.
Yeah.
So, even the things that we say are great, you guys might not like them. Yeah. Like, food is subjective. For our entree, I got the enchilada de pollo. That was fantastic.
I'm going to take your word for it. And I got the sea bass, and it was on a bed of spinach with some salsa on top of the sea bass. I'm telling you, it was good.
Oh my gosh, I love Virgin's food. It's still good so far.
It was good.
And then for dessert, we got the whole menu.
Yes.
Bring the whole menu out.
All of the desserts.
We got the tamal de chocolate, which was extremely interesting. It was essentially molten lava cake with a fruit salsa on top. Together, it was a no.
It was a no for me, because I'm not a chocolate guy.
We also got the milhojas. I don't know how you say that, but it's a puff pastry. It had tamarind, passion fruit, pineapple.
That was good.
Get that.
That was good. That was a must get.
Yes.
That was good. That was really good. The bread pudding, which is named what?
Capirotada.
That was good. And then the chocolate tacos.
Tacos de chocolate. That was the dulce de leche on top. Was a hit.
So dinner was good. From the starter to the dessert, it was good. Our server was excellent. I cannot move forward with the next thing without telling you guys some stuff that happened while we were in Marseille. First of all, Can I speak to my fellow Americans? This is coming from a place of love. This is a labor of love with my fellow American citizens. When you go outside of the U.S. and you are in another country which you are not a citizen of, please carry yourself with sense and dignity. You cannot have the entitlement of an American in Paris.
Not in Paris.
Listen, I'm sorry, in France. You cannot have the entitlement of an American in France. We're at the church. And this, they were cleaning the actual, church when we were there.
So we couldn't go in.
And they had it velvet roped off. And there was a representative at the door, pretty much explaining that we're cleaning, it'll be open XYZ. This American entitled woman, and she was one of our cousins, at the door, talking about nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible for an American. I'm an American.
You skipped the first part.
What'd she say on the first part?
She asked the man, can we go in just to take a picture? And he said, no. And she was like, please. She was like, please, can we go in? He was like, no. She said, and then she said that. She said, it's not impossible. Or did he say it's impossible?
It's impossible.
He said it's impossible. She said nothing is impossible. She literally said, I'm from America and nothing is impossible.
Good friends. Good friends. Respect the rules of the different countries that you travel to.
That's ridiculous.
Please. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous.
And right after that, he started speaking in French to one of the other employees.
Yeah, I know he was cussing.
I know he was cussing in front of the church house. I know he was cussing her out. And it's crazy because us and some other Americans that were around, we were all like, seriously?
This is why people hate Americans.
Like,
this is why they hate us. This is why they hate us around the world, because we have a sense of entitlement.
Yeah, we had to let y'all know about that because that was the craziest thing.
Just word to the wise. Just be cordial. Just be respectful when you're in somebody else's country.
We're in their territory.
Like,
we have to have respect for their space.
Hey, listen, I ain't never been to jail. You ever been to jail?
No, and I ain't going.
Listen, I'm going to tell you one thing I know, and I've never been to jail. You don't want to go to jail outside of America as an American citizen.
I know that's right.
I don't care how much diplomatic immunity you think you have. You do not want to go to jail as an American citizen outside of America.
But all in all, how was our day in Marseille?
Marseille was beautiful when we were up at the church. So we were at the highest point. Us looking out, it absolutely reminded us of our time there at the Pantheon in Athens, looking out over the city.
I wish we had more time. We started our day very late today.
Yeah.
We didn't get off the ship till about 12:15, 12:20.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Like, it's no big deal. I wish we had more time there. One thing I like about Virgin a lot is that the port days are long.
Yeah.
Which is really nice. It's appreciated. Tomorrow we will be in Monaco. Well, actually, tomorrow we will be in Cannes, France.
We're trying to take a train from Cannes all the way to Monaco.
Thanks for watching.
Wait a minute. They must know about you getting tagged in Mario Kart.
What are you talking about?
Oh, you have selective amnesia.
Aaron!
This chick challenged me to Mario Kart. And Kyra, how many times did you win?
You were not a team player.
She keeps bringing up team player. How am I supposed to be a team player in Mario Kart? Ain't nothing. She wasn't talking about no team player when she was throwing bombs and bananas.
Whoa!
She challenged me, and she got whipped. That's just the bottom line. She challenged me and got whipped. She's over here playing with the lights. But that being said, we had a good day today. It was a full day. We're tired, and
I'm not tired.
I'm tired. I'm tired. We will see y'all on the next one. I know it's been changing because Kyra's having fun with the remote. Thank you for watching. Make sure you put a like on this video and comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. We'll see y'all in the next one.